The next one is a type of stairs or classification. This is very important in VTO exams. They will ask questions. Briefly explain different type of stairs with sketches sometime. The stairs are classified as follows. First one is straight stairs. Second, turning stairs. In that, quarter turn, half turn stair, that is dog leg and open well, two types. Further, 3/4 turn stairs, bifurcate a turn stair, circular or helical or spiral stair, geometrical stair. The first we'll discuss straight stairs. You can see in the below. In case of a straight stair, all steps lead to one direction only. Here, this stair runs straight between the two floors. These are used when space is available for staircase is long but narrow in width. The stair may be consist of either one flight or more than one flight. Second, turning stairs. A stair turning through one right angle is known as quarter turn stair. The turn being affected either by introducing a quarter space landing or by providing windows. Half turn stair, a stair turning through two right angles is known as half turn stair. A half turn stair may be dog legged type of or open level type. You can see below that dog leg stair, this slide shows. In this type, the flight run in opposite direction and there is no space between them. In plane, these stairs are used for space available for the staircase is equal to twice the width of steps. The name is given because of its appearance in sectional elevation. See in the second slide, you can see the open level half turn stair. In this type, there will be a well or hole or opening between the flight in the plane. These stairs are useful where available space are more staircase with respect to width is greater than twice the width of steps. If the width of the staircase hall is such that it comes difficult to accommodate the number of steps in the two flights without exceeding the maximum allowable limit steps in each flight, a short flight of 3 to 6 steps may be provided along the width of the hall. 3/4 turn stair. These quarter turn stairs has its direction changed 3 times with the upper flight closing the bottom one. It may be either be naval type or open level type. Such type of stair is used when the length of stair room is limited and when the vertical distance between a two floor is quite large. Bifurcated stair. This type of stair is commonly used in a public building at the entrance hall. The stair has wider flight at the bottom, which is bifurcated into two narrow flight, one turning to the left and the other one is right at the landing. Continuous stair. These are those which do neither have any landing or nor have the intermediate level post. They are therefore geometrical in shape. They may be following types: circular stairs similar to the geometrical stair, spiral and helicals. Spiral stairs. It is usually made either of RCC or the metal and employed at the location where there is a space limitations. All the steps are windows. The stairs is therefore not comfortable. The requirement of good stairs. This is also very important. Many times they will ask for 6 to 5 marks. What are the good requirements of a stairs? Stair is a vertical transport between the floor. It should be therefore be designed so as to provide easy, quick and safe mode to the communications between the floors. Following are the general requirements which stair should be fulfilled. Design of layout. The height of floor is generally known. The procedure for determining the number of threads and risers is as follows. The position of the first and the last risers is determined with the regard to the position of doors, windows, or verandas, etc. The convenient height of the risers is assumed. The number of risers equals to total height of floor divided by height of risers. Number of threads in a flight equals to number of risers equals to 1. This is due to the fact that the space of the upper floor from the thread for the top step. B. Threads and risers. For comfortable ascent and descent, the rise and thread of a step should be well proportioned. The following thumb rule are followed. Rise in centimeter plus going in centimeter equals to 40 to 45. Rise in centimeters multiplied by going in centimeters equals to 410 to 450 approximate. 2 multiplied by rise in centimeters plus going in centimeter equals to 60 approximately. Adopt rise equals to 1.4 centi and going equals to 30 centi as a standard. Then every 20 mm, that is 2 centi, subtracted from the going, and 10 mm or 1 centi to the rise. Thus, other combination of rise and going would be 15 centi, 28 centi, 16 by 26 centi, 17 by 24 centi. The staircase in residential building should be 270 mm. For public building, it is desirable to have a rise of not more than 180 mm and going of not is less than 270 mm. The wider the going, the less should be the riser, and greater the rise, the less should be the going. C's width. The width of the stair should be sufficient for 2 persons to pass on it simultaneously, and for the furniture, etc., to be carried up and down the stair. The minimum width of the stair taken as about 800 mm. Pitch. The inclination of stair to the horizontal should be limited to 30 degree to 45 degree. Flight. It is not desirable to provide a flight with more than 12 or at the most 15 steps and not more than 3 steps. Suitable landing should be provided to give comfort and safety to the users of the stairs. Headroom. The provision of adequate headroom is a necessity in a good stair. It should preferable not less than 2 meter. Handrail. When the flight consists of more than 3 steps and handrail at least one side is considered to be necessary, the wide stair should be provided with the handrail both the sides. Very wide stair as a requirement for the public buildings should be provided with resident handrail. The height of the handrail above this should be approximately 800 mm. Windows. These are to be provided as far as possible. If windows are unavoidable, they should be at the bottom rather than the top of this slide. Location. The stairs should not be located that well lightened and well ventilated and have sufficient spaces approaches. Material and workmanship. The stairs should be constructed and material and good workmanship so as to impart the utility and strength to the stair.